My name's Cameron Balzat and we're here at the headquarters for Caterpillar for the Australia and Pacific region here at Tullamarine, Victoria. This facility opened in 1955 and was one of the first overseas manufacturing facilities for Caterpillar in the world. So this was a motor grader manufacturing facility from 1957 up until 2010. And today, while this is Caterpillar's headquarters facility, we also have 25 other facilities throughout the region. And here at Tullamarine, we have over 30 different business units for Caterpillar, covering areas such as mining, construction industries, Cat Financial, Global Dealer Learning, and most importantly, our parts supply and logistics businesses. Whether you're a large mining operation, a multi-generational earth-moving contractor, or first-time Cat machinery owner, our objective remains the same. That is to develop world-leading products and solutions that provide owners with the best possible quality, performance and design. All of it backed up with world-leading parts supply and support through the Cat dealer network.
Good morning everyone, Mark Day, Logistics Centre Manager at the Melbourne Distribution Centre here in Victoria, Australia. 22 years serving employee with Caterpillar, have the privilege of running a 1 million square foot facility down here in Melbourne. Primary functionality is to really exceed customer expectations. Across this facility, we've got 150 employees. We work pretty much 2 full shifts. So a day stock order shift and an emergency shift in the afternoon. One of the key elements of our process here is our distribution network, not only here in Melbourne, but certainly in Asia Pacific, is to ensure that a customer can get a part within a 24-hour, 48-hour period. We have a search pattern, search table, that if a customer's looking for a part out of Melbourne Distribution Centre, it's not available, then its next natural progression will be to look in Australia. So it would look at our Queensland Distribution Centre. If it can't search QDC, it will go naturally through the rest of the search table through the Asia Pacific region. So Singapore, China. If we can't get it through AP, then we'll do a search through Europe and the USA. You place an urgent order on us, we don't have that part, we will source that part from anywhere in the world and try and get it to the customer within 24 to 48 hours. Automation within our operation allows us to move more product, more efficiently, more safely through our operation, meeting our customer needs.
My name is Nick Rankin. I work here at Caterpillar Financial in Tullamarine, Melbourne. I've been with the company for 8 years, and our role is to help our customers, dealers and Caterpillar succeed through financial solutions. I have a team of 13 people across Australia and New Zealand, and we are responsible for more than half the machines that are financed across Australia and New Zealand. We offer loans, leases, insurance products to both our customers and our dealers to get our customers into the machines, make sure that they're working properly, and make sure that they get finance support, not just for the purchase of the machine, but for the parts, fluids, filters, rebuild. We also offer extended protection to make sure that machine is working for customers for as long as they need it. So one of the things that we like to do is make sure that we help our customers in the best way possible through using finance. And that includes being an expert in the industry. It's one of the things our customers love, is that we understand the machines, we understand the industries that they work in, we understand that it's cyclical, and we like to grow with our customers. We've had customers where we've financed them their first machine and we financed their 40th machine. And we understand that it requires capital and it requires investment to continue to do that. And that's what we want to do, is to support our customers and our dealers in Caterpillar through that growth.
Hi, my name's Chris Davis. I'm the Melbourne Learning Centre Manager for Global Dealer Learning here in Tullamarine, Melbourne. I started at Caterpillar last century, and I've been fortunate enough to work across 3 continents with Caterpillar in a variety of roles, covering working directly with our dealers and our customers in the sales of equipment, support of equipment, even the design and manufacture of our equipment. So the Melbourne Learning Centre, we have a dedicated team of trainers who work together with our dealers and our customers, training technicians, leaders and salespeople alike to be able to sell, service our Caterpillar products and machines. The Melbourne Learning Centre has a long history of working with our dealers and developing young people. Our premier program is the Dealer Top Apprentice Program. For the last 46 years, we've been working with the top apprentices from Australia, New Zealand and Indonesia in a skills competition that ranks them against each other with the ultimate winner getting a trip to the US and for a training course of their choice, as well as a tour of the CAT facilities. We're really proud of this program and we'd love to see it continue for the next 100 years of Caterpillar. 2025 is a hallmark year for Caterpillar as we celebrate our centennial as a company. The machine I'm standing in front of at the moment is significant not only for Australia but for Caterpillar. This is a Holt 75 manufactured by Benjamin Holt Manufacturing Company in Stockton, California. The track drivetrain on this was later described as the Caterpillar drivetrain, and this combined with when CL Best and Benjamin Holt combined the company in 1925 was chosen to be the name of Caterpillar Incorporated. In 1925 Caterpillar was formed. Very quickly after that, dealers around the world sprung up, with one of the first being here in Australia being William Adams in 1926. Caterpillar then, through various contract manufacturers, being Warren Josephson and then Steelweld, produced the Motor Patrol, which later went on to become the Grader. In 1955, the Caterpillar Australia entity was formed, and in 1958, the first graders shipped here from Tullamarine, with our parts facility also located on this facility. Motor graders were produced here until 2005, and then from 2005 to 2018, we produced a combination of off-highway truck bodies and on-highway trucks. Today, it is a parts facility for Caterpillar, one of the largest in the world.